कांग्रेस पार्टी की तर्जुमान सुप्रिया श्रीयंत ने आरएसएस और बीजेपी के ही बाज लीडर्स का हवाला देते हुए बीजेपी आईटी सेल के सरबराह अमित मालविया पर खवातीन के साथ जिनसी हरासानी और ज्यादती का इंकशाफ किया है। मीडिया से बात करते हुए सुप्रिया श्रीनेट ने कहा कि आरएसएस के रुकन शांतनु सिन्हा और बीजेपी के लीडर राहुल सिन्हा का हवाला देते हुए सुप्रिया ने बताया कि 5 स्टार होटल्स में खवातीन को तलब करते हुए इस्तेहसाल किया जा रहा था। बीजेपी के दफ्तर में भी खवातीन के साथ इस्तेहसाल किया गया। सुप्रिया श्रीनेट ने अमित मालविया की फौरी ओहदे से मुअत्तली का मुतालबा किया।
It has come to light not by us, it has come to light by members of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh who are on record. A gentleman by the name of Shantanu Sinha, related to Rahul Sinha, an office bearer of the BJP in Bengal, a member of the ABVP, a prominent member of the RSS there, has said that the BJP IT cell head, the fake news factory that Mr. Amit Malviya runs, he has alleged that Mr. Amit Malviya has indulged in nefarious activities. He has indulged in sexual exploitation of women, not just in 5-star hotels, but in BJP offices in Bengal. And the only thing that we seek of the BJP is justice for women finally. Whether it is Hathras, or Lakhimpur, or Shahjahanpur, or our most decorated athletes, or Uttarakhand, or Bilkis Bano, the Prime Minister has consistently given political patronage and support to perpetrators of the crime. It's high time you stand with women. It's high time you stand with India's daughters. And unless and until you do not answer their plight, you have no business to be in power. The reality is, less than 24 hours after the Prime Minister has been sworn in, very, very serious charges of sexual exploitation have been leveled against a very prominent office bearer of the BJP, the head of its IT cell. But is it to anybody's surprise? The IIT BHU gang rape, if you remember, and the 3 people involved, Saksham Patel, Kunal Pandey and Anand Chauhan, all members of the BJP IT cell, all extremely close to senior leaders of the BJP, including Narendra Modi.